Hello everyone, I'm Naval Yemul from Data Master and I'm thrilled to announce the launch of our first masterclass on data engineering with Databricks. And the best part is it's absolutely free. So in today's fast-paced industry, data engineering plays a pivotal role in transforming a raw data into valuable insights. Whether you are looking to kickstart a career in data engineering with Databricks or you are seeking to upskill, this masterclass is just tailored for you. In this session, we are going to delve into the fundamentals of data engineering, exploring the capabilities of Databricks, and we are going to discuss the numerous career opportunities in this data engineering with Databricks fields. So join us live on 9th of January at 9 a.m. IST to get in-depth understanding of our comprehensive course on data engineering. So this is not just a learning experience, it's an opportunity to gain a practical skills and insights that will set you apart from the industry. To reserve your spot, simply fill out the Google form, which is just linked below in the description. Early participants may also get some exclusive perks. If you have any questions or specific topics we would like to cover in this masterclass, feel free to drop a comment down. Don't miss out this chance to empower your career into data engineering with Databricks. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you for watching and let's embark on this learning journey together.